Dependable, sturdy, easy to carry. Great for everyday use. Swiss-made precision. A rock-solid heritage, exacting commitment to Swiss precision and a consistent focus on quality and innovation are the absolute cornerstones of our business. Founded on integrity and family values, today we operate in over 10 countries worldwide. The original Swiss Army knife, created by Karl Lesner in 1897, embodies the essence of Victoriana. Directional, intrepid and pioneering on the global stage, today our international brand spans 5 product categories: Swiss Army knives, cutlery, watches, travel gear and fragrances. Top reviews from the United States. Typical Victorinox quality and sharp. This is likely the sharpest knife I have ever purchased. That's saying something, especially for a serrated blade. Yes, in general, a sharp knife is safer than a dull one, but no kidding, watch where the blade is going. It is extremely lightweight, so it's not meant for heavy-duty tasks, but its sharpness makes all sorts of cutting work easy. Every Victorinox product I've owned has been of superior value, same here.